Let's go. You found the diamond in the rough. You spoke with the owner or owners, and they're interested in selling, right? Now it's the negotiation contract phase, right? So you do your due diligence, right? You look at the property, you look at the area, you see what's the most you can pay, what's the least you can pay, and you make that spread, right? To wholesale. And so once you have all that information, right? And you go back to the owner, you guys have the negotiations, whether you're doing creative play or just doing a cash wholesale transaction. Once you have that dialogue, that conversation with that owner, put that on paper, right? Once you have that contract, I prefer DocuSign because some folks just like to boom, 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 boom and send it. Some folks do like to read it, but I prefer DocuSign because it saves time, saves you time, saves them time. Now, it's also deal and state dependent. Depending on the transaction, you might need a wet signature, which means they physically need to sign that, that contract. FYI, if you do sign contracts, make sure it's in blue ink. So when you upload it, it comes through and it doesn't smudge or not show. And so blue ink is always a favorite when physically signing documents. Learned that from LT as well. She's on our team. And she's a notary as well as a real estate investor. And, she brought us up to speed with that. So make sure you use blue. Once you get that deal on the contract, your next step is escrow. What does escrow look like? Well, great question.